Hello, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Robothoughts, a superb ultimate series of lessons zero to hero. All right, Python coding on Jetson Nano. All right, guys. So we are on lesson number 16, and today I'm going to show you how to unpack a collection of variables. Okay, unpacking a collection of variables in Python. So let's see how it looks. So for example, let me try to explain you. If you have a collection of values in a list, okay, or a tuple, the list and tuple I'm going to teach you in a later series. Okay, it's going to come next. But I'm just trying to explain. I'm just trying to give you a glimpse of how it looks like. So basically, Python allows you to extract the values into variables. Okay, this is called unpacking. All right, now unpacking in Python refers to a specific operation that consists of assigning an repeated or iterable values. All right, so let me show you an example, then you'll be able to understand it much better if I show you, practically typing the code and executing the command on the command line in Jetson Nano. So let's see how it looks. So I'm going to share my screen. I have already logged into Jetson Nano through Putty. All right, so let's take an example. Let's give a totally different kind of example. Let's open the file first. Nano variable.py. Okay, let's delete this. Now let's try to give a different kind of example. Say for example, transformers equals to, okay, now you got to be using the square bracket. Okay, make a note of it, guys, this is very important. Okay, transformer equals to bumblebee, before comma I got to close the double quote. Can you see the color changes? And then comma, let's give another name, anything, guys, come on, robot. Okay, comma, let's give another name, Iron Man. I know Iron Man is not part of Transformer series. I'm just throwing out of the blue. Now let's close this square bracket. Remember this square bracket, guys. These syntaxes are very, very important. Okay. Now let's say x comma y comma z equal to transformer. Okay, now let's say print x. Are you guys following me the way I'm trying to show you? Can you see I'm just declaring transformer as three different way: bumblebee, robot, Iron Man, whatever, you can multiple, right? Oh, what is that T? Oh my god, let's see, it's supposed to be y, x comma y comma z. All right, now print x. Let's say print y. Okay, and print z or z. All right, guys, now let me save this. Control O, enter, Control X. Now are we ready to execute the Python file transformers? Python 3 variable.py. Did you see that? Bumblebee, robot, Iron Man. That's how it is, guys. So now you understand how you can unpack a collection of variables, right? It's as simple as that. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope you are getting pretty much hands-on into the basic stuffs, especially using a Linux terminal logged into Jetson Nano and you are accessing Python. Alright guys, do leave a comment, like, subscribe. I am going to get back to you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.